Hi everyone, I'm Nishu Patel from Northampton Accounting, and today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of setting aside enough money for your tax bill. This is probably by far the most common area where small business owners trip up, and a lot of businesses in their first year, they're happy just to survive. They've earned a bit of money, they get to the end of that year, they've taken all that money home, and then the tax bill comes and they've got nothing left in the business to actually pay that bill. So the idea behind this is, if you know what your profits are on a monthly basis in your business, then you'll have a good idea of what your tax bill is going to be, because it's usually a percentage of those profits minus your personal allowance for tax. So the right way to do this really is to get onto a decent accounting system like Xero, where you can put all your bookkeeping into it, and then every month you can get a report which says how much profit you've made, and then based on that report you know how much tax you're going to have to pay on that month's profits. You don't have to pay it over to HMRC straight away, although a lot of people don't realise you can actually make monthly payments for your corporation tax and self-assessment. You don't have to wait till the end of the year. But if you don't do that, then it's a good idea to have a separate bank account where you put that money aside and then forget about it until it's time to pay that tax bill. So if you don't have access to an accounting system, or you don't want to use one, then any system you have is better than nothing, because as long as you're aware that every pound you earn, X amount of it is going to be taxed, then at least you can take that figure and set it aside for that tax bill. It doesn't have to be perfect, because at the end of the year when you do your accounts and your tax return, then you'll either set aside too much and you'll be able to take some out of that fund or get back from HMRC, or you won't have set aside enough. But at that point you'll still have a few months to fine tune that figure. So if you want to find out a bit more about how you can set aside enough money to cover your tax bills and when they're going to be, then please get in touch and I'll be happy to help.